Hi, can I borrow your USB stick? Oh, but what about all your personal files and sensitive data? You don't want me to see them, right? But here's the thing. Simply deleting files or doing a quick format doesn't actually make your data truly gone. It's like tearing up the index card in a library. The card is gone, but the book is still sitting right there on the shelf, and anyone with a little know-how can read your secrets. Let's properly wipe your USB drive with a free professional tool called MultiDrive. 1. Go to multidrive.io and hit download. 2. Download the installer and run it. 3. Plug that USB drive into your computer. 4. Open MultiDrive and click Erase on the left. Select your USB stick. Double check it's the right one. Then click the big Erase button. Now sit back and relax. Wait for the stats panel to say success. That means every byte of data has been shredded. You aren't done yet. The drive is now a blank slate, literally. You need to quick format it in Windows to give it a new file system so you can use it again. And that's it. Your data's gone for good, your privacy is safe, and your USB drive is ready for its new life.